Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today I have an awesome Ural for your consideration. This is a 2018 Ural M70 in olive drab green, or as most of us like to call it, OD green. In this video we're going to go over some of these standout features and take a close look at its condition, as this is a fine example with only 600 miles on the odometer. If you're new to the channel, welcome to AlphaCars. We share daily motoring content, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. But now let's take a close look at this M70. While we start to take a close look at this Ural, let me talk a bit about its history. So it's a one-owner bike, and we actually originally sold this bike. So we can tell it was very well cared for and obviously stored properly. And as I mentioned in the introduction, barely ridden at only around 600 miles. We did give the bike a nice detail and a once-over. We did put a new battery in it, as of course, a battery is more of an age-related item, not a mileage or use-related item. So we did a new battery just for peace of mind. And just taking a close look, awesome color, especially the sun's out today, and you can just really admire that shade of green. And this bike does have some accessories on it. It has the sidecar windscreen. This one is clear. We can see the nice black apron it has, and then the tonneau cover, which covers this whole sidecar compartment from the elements. That is rolled up nicely right here in the same material. You can see the seat is in amazing condition. Really the whole bike is, as like I said, it's really barely been used. I love the kind of wooden floor mat they do on this, on these bikes. I think it looks really cool. And another accessory, this bike has an American 12-volt adapter on it. So that is plugged into the European style plug the bike comes with. So then you're able to use whatever accessory that we use over here with our style of things. We've got the spare wheel on the back. Let me open the trunk for you. It is a lockable trunk. We can see the lock there. So opening up the trunk, you can see there's actually a sticker on it. That's one of our stickers when the bike was sold new. And now in the trunk here, we have a full other set of keys with the bike, vast owner's manual, and a nice kind of binder to preserve everything, covered, sealed in plastic, and the very comprehensive original toolkit is with it as well. And a nice storage pouch behind the passenger seat there, where you can keep many things of your choosing. And this ammo box, the previous owner installed. They did a very nice job. It has, if I open it up here, you can see the stainless steel hardware, and between it and the bike, it does have rubber grommets, or kind of rubber isolators, so the paint is not affected. So that's the same way we design and mount our accessories. We can see the rubber between the ammo box and its carrier. These ammo boxes are handmade, super high quality. I mean, you can see even the ammo box looks pretty much new, really holding up well. Even a nice little seal on it. And with how this edge closes over and it kind of seals over this bottom portion, can't imagine much moisture getting in there either to keep your items safe. Taking a look under the sidecar, and a look at the exhaust. All presents very nicely. It's got the powder-coated drivetrain. The single sort of tractor seat style seat, very comfortable, and then the rack on the rear fender. And we do sell, if you want to take a passenger, we do sell a cushion that mounts to this rear rack. So If you did want to take one on the back and have 3 people with you, then you could definitely do so. Of course, the power plant we're familiar with, it being a 2018, it's fuel injected, horizontally opposed twin, 750cc. We've got the heel toe shifter for those 4 forward gears and mechanical, or just the 4 forward gears, sorry. And then we've got the heel toe shifter on the right side for our reverse gear, and then the brake for both rear brakes there as it's linked. The sidecar has its own master cylinder and reservoir. Just taking a look, all the components are just in such nice condition, really in as good as condition as any of the other bikes in our showroom that are actually, you know, brand new. So very, very clean. Of course, it has the steering stabilizer. I believe around 20 points of adjustment, so you can really dial that in how you would like. And of course, you may be used to me talking about the 2-wheel drive. This being the M70 model, it is only 1-wheel drive, not 2-wheel drive. And of course, this has the a little bit different geometry, kind of sidecar frame, bit lower to the ground. These are a blast on the road. Very sharp handling. And taking a look at our tires as well, we can see there 4x18. So this has 18-inch rims all around and tires. So once again, for that kind of sharper handling, quicker acceleration on the road, and these more road-going tires. As I said, these are really a blast to ride on the pavement. Taking a look at the controls, just like the rest of the bike, almost doesn't look like it was used. Turning it on, gauge works very nice. You can see 612 miles. And with that fuel injection, we're in neutral. Let me just hit the starter for you. Starts right up. Nice quiet idle, very happy. Shutting that off now. You can see nice Brembo brakes, floating rotor that's drilled as well. Drilled rotor at the back here. And of course the sidecar having its own brake. Once again, you get that drilled rotor. This one is a floating design with that Brembo caliper at the back. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions on this Ural, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to respond, or give us a call at 978-263-9000. This is a really well cared for bike, very low mileage. Of course, the M70, very desirable model with that retro look. Very attractive bike. So don't miss out on this opportunity with this one. As I said, only having around 600 miles and really is in like new condition. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss the awesome motoring content.